Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Rickman here to do a math lesson with you. Today we're going to do some CGI problems, which are adding and subtracting problems. So if you would like to go get 10 objects to use as counters and a piece of paper and a pencil, we can do these CGI problems together. Just hit pause on your video and we'll continue when you come back. All right, boys and girls. What we're going to do is two problems. One is an adding problem and one is a subtracting problem, and we have to figure out which one is which. You can do problems on your own. You can do adding and subtracting to practice both. Today we're going to do one of each. So if you will get your counters ready and your pencil and paper, I'll read the first problem to you, and if you want to read it with me, you can, if you can see it or if you can read it. If not, just listen and I'll read it to you. So just listen the first time to what I'm saying so you can figure out if we're going to add or subtract. So just listen or read along with me. Julie has 9 birds. 7 of them flew away. How many birds does Julie have left? Now, there's a couple of key words there that tell us if we're going to add or subtract. So, who knows what some of those key words are? That's right, they flew away. Flew away means they left, they're gone. So we're going to do what? Subtract, that's right. And how many do we have left? When we have that word left, it tells us that some of them were taken away, so that means subtraction, which is a minus sign. So what you can do is you can draw the birds, which would take a really long time. So what I've always taught my kids to do is just draw circles, because that's quick. We don't have time to draw 9 birds, so we'll draw 9 circles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we can go back and make sure we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or what you can do is get your 9 counters. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're just pretending these are birds, even though they're circles. You just have to use your imagination. So Julie has 9 birds, and then what happened? 7 of them flew away. So what you have to do is what? Yes, take 7 away. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you drew the birds or the circles, you have to X out 7. 1 flew away, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flew away. And the last question, how many birds does Julie have left? And what we do is we circle the birds that Julie had left. How many did she have left? 1, 2, 2. We have to count and see how many she had left. We don't just guess, we have to count. All right, so now if we want to write that equation, we start with how many birds. Julie has 9 birds, so we have to make a 9. And then it says 7 of them flew away. So if they flew away, we're taking them away, and the takeaway symbol is what? Yes, a minus sign, which is just a line across like that. 9 minus, how many flew away? 7 of them flew away. So 9 minus 7, and what's the next symbol in our equation? Yes, equals, which is a line and a line. 9 minus 7 equals, how many did she have left? 2. All right, let's read that equation together. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Awesome. So that is our first CGI problem, which was a subtraction problem. So I bet this one's going to be an addition problem, but you have to tune in to part 2 to see.